Y'all hear that? No window motor operation, but you can hear, oh, you can hear the motor running, but no window operation. It's like the motor has detached itself from the regulator. So, only thing, or the best thing you can do in a situation like this is, because you can't see, you have to tear it apart. So let's go ahead and get this door panel off and see what's going on inside this thing. All right, man, let's get it. Okay, just so you can get a sense of what I did, I'd simply grab behind it and just pull. I mean, it's just held on by clamps. I want you to get a sense of what I did to get the door panel off the door. I used both hands. All right, so from there, just gotta unplug everything. So let's get all this stuff. Panel right here, latch that holds the door, that connector, and a couple of connectors, this panel right here. All right, let's get the stuff off. Okay, from there I have the door panel off. But now I'm just gonna lay it right here up against the car, because it's time to find out what's the deal with the motor. Now here's the window motor right here. So I think what I should do first is remove the motor off of the regulator. Okay, because remember, we heard the motor operating, but the window wouldn't move. That could very well mean, wrong socket. That could very well mean the regulator has come apart. So let me grab the right socket so we can get this window motor off the regulator. All right, I got one screw out. Let's get these other two out. Because again, all we're trying to do is find out why the window motor not turning the regulator. Okay, according to this, oh wow, still intact. Let me see if we can I'm gonna plug the switch back up and turn the key on and see how this window motor is doing, because I could very well need both. All right, let's see. Ladies and gentlemen, y'all see that? The window motor, the gears in the window motor is not turning. Wow. See that? You can hear it running, but nothing's turning. Oh wow. So the regulator, I assume, is intact. But there you go. So I can turn it manually and it'll turn, but it's not supposed to operate like that. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I will need a right side window motor. All right, it's easy enough to replace. Simply plug it in, bolt it back up, and turn it. Verify, make sure the gears inside the regulator is not stripped. All right, so let's get this thing ordered, and it's simple enough to not need to do a second video. Y'all can see where I'm going with it. Y'all can see how I just verified it. Again, I just actuate the switch. The motor is running, but the gears are not turning, which means it's internal. Let me try it manual. See? It's internal come apart. All right, so let me get this new window motor ordered. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe. I'll see y'all in the next video. Wow. Nothing's moving, but it's running. Okay.
2 hours later.